everyone! Welcome to our super fun Advent calendar countdown. I'm so excited to celebrate the days leading up to Christmas with you. Are you ready for some surprises and fun activities? Let's get started. Look at our special Advent calendar. It has 12 magical doors, and one day, we get to open one and see what surprise is behind it. Today is day 1. Let's open the first door and see what's inside. Oh, wow! It's a fun craft activity. We're going to make a Christmas ornament. For our ornament, we'll need some colorful paper, scissors, and markers. First, let's cut out a star shape. Can you help me? Snip, snip, snip! Great job! Now let's decorate it. You can draw your favorite holiday things on it. I'm going to draw a snowman. What will you draw? Wow, look at our beautiful ornaments. You can hang them on your Christmas tree or give them as gifts. Thanks for joining today. Soon we'll open another door and find out what surprise awaits us. Don't forget to practice your craft and show your family. Bye for now and see you soon.